200?
206.
Oh, really?
Alright, mate.
Well, good mate. Wow. Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 2. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 2. Okay, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end. And today I will start my video from the junction on ground zero. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is ground zero, Royal Again Street. And I will make video start from here until the end on Poppies Lane 2. Just at the front, Kuta Beach. It's gonna be long walking for today. Long walk. Yeah, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Okay guys, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere from this area at Poppies Lane 2. Bagus Pub left side. Empty. Not tourists yet, but they will coming soon. And yeah, just really sad because it's big change happening, because before the pandemic happening, Bagus Pub is always full with the tourists over there. Wow, some loud music, sorry. Actually, I have to talk sometime because yeah, there's music everywhere. It's gonna be copyright if I'm not talking, because the music has copyright. At the front right side is Gora Beach Inn. My viewers, Gary from Australia, love to stay there. Sorry. And right side is Kori restaurant. This famous restaurant. Poppies. Wow, some loud music from Bird Juice Sport Bar. So I have to talk louder than the music. Yeah, the music over there is so loud. Okay, no problem. We keep talking until we go far away from the music. Yeah, left side is the Grand Barong Resort, the Legend Resort at Poppies Lane 2. Wow. And usually I was busy over there with Aussie before the pandemic. Now everything changed.
Bye. Tom, get out. You're having a heart attack. Yeah. Hey, how much are you?
Masaya. Bloody Cold Beer, Turtle Restaurant and Sport Bar. It's quite busy over there. It's good. Yeah, as usually I start making video at Poppies Lane from the east part until to the west part. And this video, I make video without skip because I just want to show you how the real session at the moment in Legian Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 2. Yeah, few tourists over there doing shopping is good. Oh. This is art market. Let me show you how busy over there today. Wow, some loud music again. So I have to talk quite louder than the music. It's not really busy, isn't it? Wow, 200?
206.
Oh, really? Wow! You play and
Yeah, basketball.
wow, 200, 208, 206. Wow, too tall. Wow, good. Yeah.
Alright, mate.
Wow, good, mate. Wow. Enjoy your holiday, mate. Hopefully no rain today. Wow, 206. Very tall. It's quite busy in this area. And this is the main gate to go to Achonk Mall from the backside. Achonk Mall. Hello. 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 Welcome to Bali. Wow. Busy, busy. Welcome to Bali. Hi, boy. Wow. It's like rain now. Wow. Like rain. Hujan ya. It's rain coming now. Wow. Sorry, maybe I have to stop until here. Okay guys, so this is our news today in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane too. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. Numpang ya? They are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane too. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the news station in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali top of the world. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow, rain coming. Really sad. Wow. See? All dark now.